Hi, this is Jaden with Adventure Pilot, and today I'm going to be going over how you can export flight plans from iFly over into ForeFlight. First off, we're going to go ahead and create our flight plan. So we'll go ahead and click Flight Plan, then Enter Flight Plan, and I'm going to be flying from McKinney over to Durant, and then lastly Tulsa. And then we can click Done. Now that our flight plan's created, we're going to be running our real plan feature. That way it can automatically optimize the right altitude we need and the right route based on the current winds. So to do that, we will click More Options and then Real Plan. And so now it's going to give you some settings to change, and I'm going to make sure warning, Class B, MOAs, and Class C and Class D and alert areas are deselected because I don't mind flying through those. And we'll just make sure everything's good here. I'm going to allow it to find fuel stops, and everything else looks good as well. So we can click Run Real Plan. And now it's going to pop out a route for us with the cost, the time, the fuel, and how long it is. So we can click Done on that. And now we're going to go to the Flight Plan section by clicking Flight Plan, and then we're just going to check out the altitude to make sure it's correct. So we will click Altitudes. So that looks good. It set us up for 3,500, and I'm happy with that. So we can click Close. And now we're actually going to go ahead and go to the Export now. So to export it over to ForeFlight, our flight plan, we will click More Options, Share/Export Flight Plan, Export to ForeFlight, Launch ForeFlight. And now you might get a message that tells you, would you like us to open ForeFlight? And you'll click yes. Because I've already done this, that goes instantly. And so now it just pops us straight into ForeFlight with our flight plan preloaded. If you click the Profile tab, it should show you the altitudes if you have the Pro version. I don't, so it doesn't show that, but that's alright. Other than that, that's all I have for you guys today, and that is how we can transfer these flight plans. If you have any other questions, feel free to reach out via email at support@adventurepilot.com or call us at 214-585-0444. Thanks. Bye.